Hello, good day to all of the teachers. Today I'm going to be making a short video on how to use Quizlet to create your flashcards, sets of flashcards in which you would use to practice space repetition in the courses in your teacher orientation course. This video comes very late as it was recommended by most teachers because they did not understand properly how they could use the space repetition method of learning with tools like Quizlet and Anki. Now we are going to dive straight forward. When you go to Quizlet.com, for this case we are going to use Quizlet. For how to use Anki, we are going to do that in some other video. For Quizlet, first thing is first, you're going to create an account. After creating an account, now we are going to log in. For me, I already have a Quizlet account for Safe Grammar School, my Safe Grammar School study material. I'm going to log in to my Quizlet account. Now, when I log into my Quizlet account, let's say this is the week 1, and I want to create, as per the instructions on the course, I want to create a set of 10 questions and answers, or it could be questions, specific terms and their definitions. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here to create for those who are working on their PCs. Even on your mobile phone, you're going to find, when you're using the Quizlet application, you're going to find all of the same tools and the same options, just displayed in different ways. Now, a title to these sets. Let's say this is week 1. I'm going to write here week 1. Now, I'm going to choose the language. Yeah, you are asked to choose the language. I'm going to choose the language English. I'm going to put a term. Let's say for this term I want to keep in mind, especially with relation to what we are studying, I want to keep in mind the meaning of SGS. So I'm going to type here. The first question is, I'm going to type meaning of SGS. Meaning of SGS. And now on the other side of the answer for this definition or for this term is going to be is safe grammar school. So that is it for the first. Now I've finished with the first question and answer, or for out of 10 I've done 1. Now I'm going to move to the next. This is the second term or second question. The second one, now I'm going to, based on the material learning within the week, I'm going to do the same, put a term and put the definition on the other side. You would see on this side it is written term, and on this side definition. I could also switch it over, but all of that we were going to see that in the next video.